Hi there. This is a simple yoga routine using one of my favorite yoga poses, the sunflower. No mat needed today, so when you're ready, let's go. Welcome to yoga. Separate your feet about hip distance or even wider. Give a generous bend in your knees. Deeply fold at your hips for a ragdoll pose. Let your head hang heavy and grab onto your elbows. Even interlace your forearms if that's more comfortable for you. Remember that today we're practicing breath awareness, so place that as a higher priority than the physical postures. So from here, keep your arms as they are and slowly turn your body to the right and begin to rise in a half circle, coming all the way up to standing. Some call these sunflowers, and now slowly continue that circle, bending to your left and come all the way down your left side, coming back down into your ragdoll fold. And let's do that again. Inhale as you go up your left side, coming all the way up to the top, and exhale as you come down your right side. Well done. Take your hands to your shins, halfway lift, find your long flat back. So draw your shoulder blades together behind you, open up through your chest and collarbones. Inhale. Exhale to forward fold. Now keep your feet wide and rise up for a mountain pose, reaching your arms overhead as you come all the way up, but your shoulders stay relaxed. From here, open arm twist to the right. Reach your right arm back, left arm forward, and draw your gaze past your right fingertips. You're twisting through the crown of your head. Then inhale, come back to mountain pose. Exhale, twist to your left. Left arm reaches back, right arm reaches forward, chin turns all the way to the left. With these twists, you want to keep your hips squared off to the top of your mat. Only your upper body is opening up. Inhale, come back to mountain pose. Exhale, mini back bend. Bend your elbows open as you lift up through your sternum and gaze up to the ceiling. Inhale back to mountain, exhale forward fold, come all the way down. With a generous bend in your knees, grab onto your elbows. Inhale to sunflower up your right side. Exhale to sunflower down your left side. Reverse, inhale sunflower up your left side. Exhale sunflower down your right side. Release your hands for halfway lift. Big breath in, broaden through your chest. Exhale to forward fold with a gentle bend in your knees. Head hangs heavy. Mountain pose as you inhale, come all the way up. Open arm twist to the right as you exhale through your upper body only. Then slow inhale back to mountain pose. Exhale, open to your left, stretching through your fingertips. Inhale, come back to mountain pose. Exhale, mini back bend. Bend your elbows open, lift up through your heart as you inhale back to mountain. As you exhale, forward fold. Grab onto your elbows. Inhale, sunflower up the right side. Exhale, sunflower down the left side. Follow the pace of your breath. Reverse it as you inhale, sunflower up your left side. Exhale, sunflower down the right side. Releasing your arms at the bottom for halfway lift. Big breath in. Exhale to fold. For mountain pose, inhale to rise. Exhale, open arm twist to your right. Smooth, slow, and controlled. Come back to your mountain. Open arm twist to your left. Inhale back to mountain. Mini back bend as you exhale. Inhale, mountain pose. And this time, just bring your hands together at heart center. Stand tall, close your eyes, observe your breath. Whenever we flow one breath, one movement, remember to follow the pace of your breath. So it's okay if you're a half second ahead or behind, or even if you skip postures completely, as long as you find your flow. Namaste.
Nothing like a good stretch, huh? Let me know what you think of that sunflower in the comments below. And if you want to keep it going, tomorrow we're going to hit the core with a good old yoga workout. I'd love for you to join me. Just click the link in the description down below or scan this QR code. See you then.